What is up, everybody? Welcome to another daily trading hub video. Today we're just going to be looking at NZDUSD, and you can currently see I'm on a 4-hour time frame, and we are currently in profits on a trade that we talked about last week. So if you have been following us for a couple of weeks, last week we talked about NZDUSD buying around this region and heading all the way to the upside, and price is currently respecting the analysis and working out like that. So it's a new week. How are we going to be finding new opportunities to enter into more trade setups on this to potentially go all the way to the upside again? So let's just take this one out for now and then do our analysis again. If you haven't checked out that video, it's currently on our YouTube channel and it's also on our TikTok. So if you want to check it out, please do well to check out our YouTube channel. The link is in the bio. So let's just head down to the monthly time frame and then reanalyze and then see how we can find more buying opportunities for NZDUSD all the way to the upside. So on NZDUSD, we currently have our lower zone. Here. Our lower zone is here. We also have our mid-range zone, and then we have our higher zone. So price is currently, in my opinion, heading all the way to the upside. What makes us say that? So initially price was in a downtrend. When it was in a downtrend, we had a couple of rejections here. Price came all the way down, but we have broken up beyond the mid-range zone, and currently price is retesting that as support, and we potentially want to see it head all the way back to the upside on NZDUSD. So we'll be looking for longing opportunities from this monthly support level all the way to the upside on NZDUSD. Let's just scale down to the weekly time frame. So on a weekly time frame, we had a push, a big push. We have a weekly mid-range zone somewhere around here. This blue line is a weekly mid-range zone. It's a strong level. So what did we get? We had a strong push to the upside. We're getting that exhaustion, which is like a retest, and then price continues to buy all the way to the upside. So like I said, we want to be taking long opportunities from this support level on a monthly time frame all the way to the upside. And what are the things supporting our thesis currently on NZDUSD? We can see a lot of bullish pressure, a lot of bullish pin bars around this level that wants to tell us that price wants to head all the way to the upside. Scaling down to the daily time frame again, what's the daily time frame telling us? We can kindly see that price wants to break. This is the daily mid-range zone. Price wants to break it and head all the way to our first TP, which is going to be our daily upper zone. So what are we seeing right now on NZDUSD? We are seeing a couple of consolidations here. Strong bullish consolidation, strong bullish buying pressure here on NZDUSD. If price manages to break this range that it is in on NZDUSD, we expect price to go all the way, maybe do a retest and then continue to buy all the way up. Remember, we have a monthly target here that we want to head all the way, but we're going to take it level by level and take TP by TP. So right now there's also a trend line here that I can see that is also supporting this trend on NZDUSD. If this trend line should break, we would potentially clear all this trend line liquidity and continue our way all the way up. So NZDUSD, last Friday price closed bullish with a strong pump to the upside, but we haven't convincingly broken out. What I want to see is price breakouts convincingly, potentially even break out of this trend line, do a retest, and then we continue to buy. So this is what I'm looking at for NZDUSD. I'm looking out for buying opportunities. So on a 4-hour time frame, we can see a strong push to the upside. To me, it hasn't convincingly broken above, even though it's closing above the daily mid-range zone. I want to see at least more push up and then retest, but this could also count as a retest. So I'm watching this level closely for price confirmation, candlestick confirmation for me to go long. If not, I'll probably wait for price to do a small retracement here, maybe give a triple bottom, and then we'll continue to buy. But currently we can see the double bottom here on NZDUSD, a double bottom, a strong push to the upside. We have a potential retest happening here. I'll wait for candle confirmation like I said, and I'll continue to buy all the way to the upside on NZDUSD. So this level is a very strong and a good level that I want to see. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame, which is our entry time frame. So like I said, this area is a very strong area, a very good area that I want to be watching for price to continue to range and continue to pump all the way to the upside. If not, I'll just wait for another level somewhere around here, and then I'll be looking for more longing opportunities on NZDUSD. So I want a long NZDUSD. I'm very bullish on NZDUSD, and let's see how the trade plays out. If you haven't joined our free Telegram, I'll be sharing the link in the description so that you can join. When the setup is ready, I'll be posting it in our Telegram. So to the next one, peace, and I'm out.